The correct answer is letter B, bouquet.
The correct answer is letter C, heart-shaped candy.
The correct answer is letter A, cupid.
The correct answer is letter A, candles.
The correct answer is letter C, heart-shaped chocolate.
The correct answer is letter B, teddy bear.
The correct answer is letter A, ring.
The correct answer is letter B, envelope.
The correct answer is letter C, heart-shaped balloon.
The correct answer is letter A, box of chocolate.
The correct answer is letter C, bow.
The correct answer is letter B, hug.
The correct answer is letter B, chocolate-covered strawberries.
The correct answer is letter A, bow and arrow.
The correct answer is letter C, heart-shaped cookies.
The correct answer is letter B, stuffed animal.
The correct answer is letter A, chocolate bar.
The correct answer is letter A, ribbon.
The correct answer is letter B, wine.
The correct answer is letter C, love letter.
The correct answer is letter B. Peter and Lucy are on a date.
The correct answer is letter C. John is proposing to Anna.
The correct answer is letter C. She wrote him a Valentine's card.
The correct answer is letter A. Daniel has a crush on Megan.
The correct answer is letter A. They are celebrating Valentine's Day.
The correct answer is letter B. Eric has a surprise for her.
The correct answer is letter C. They are in love.
The correct answer is letter B. He feels nervous before the date.
The correct answer is letter A. They are hugging each other.
The correct answer is letter C. Claire is reading a love letter.
Hey English Go Getter, you finished the quiz. Don't forget to download the free worksheet for extra practice. And share your score in the comments below. And if you enjoyed the quiz, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell button. And I'll see you in the next video.